Hi, Seed Keepers. So this week, Shay and I sent you an envelope in the mail, and it should be arriving at your house sometime Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And since we're both at our houses, we decided that we would send you seeds. And I have a lot of cucumber seeds, and Shay had a lot of sunflower seeds. So in your envelope, you'll either have a sunflower or a cucumber seed. And once you get the seed, go ahead and open up your envelope. And mine's going to be a cucumber. And it's going to look like this. And Shay's are going to be a little bit bigger. Sunflowers have a little bit bigger of a seed. So once you get your seed, we all know that seeds need a couple things to grow. So the first thing they need is going to be dirt. So you're going to go and get some sort of container. It could be a yogurt container, it can be a planter, anything that you guys have. And if you don't have dirt at your home, you can just go ahead into the backyard and dig up some dirt and put it in a cup. And once you have the dirt, just like our phrase for spring goes, we're going to do a little hole. So just put your hand in there, put your finger in there, and put a little hole. Take your seed that you received and put it in your hole. A little dirt, a little pat, a little wish, and that is that. A little sun, a little shower. So if it's not outside, it's going to be inside. And if you have a watering can, you're going to shower it with your water and give it a drink. And a little sun, so it needs to go somewhere in the sun, whether it's in a greenhouse, if you have a greenhouse, or it's in a windowsill, or outside on a sunny porch. And then it'll take a little while. So as we're waiting for the seed to sprout, we can create something that's called an observation log. And a lot of times at Seed Keepers, we'll make these. Remember if we were observing different things to be able to record? And so you just take a sheet of paper, fold it, hot dog roll style is what they call it. Have you heard that before? Looks like a hot dog roll. So go like that. So you have it like this. Now fold it again. And fold it one more time. We'll do a small little observation log. So you can record what you did and what you find out. So then it'll look like this, but there'll be a couple of pieces that are stuck together. So you're going to need to take your scissors, and where they're stuck together, go ahead and cut towards the spine of your book. Cut it towards. So there's one page, 2 page. This one is all the way together, so I'm going to cut up. And then I'm going to cut towards the spine. Okay? So then, once you have your book, you can either copy what you see here, have your parents write it down, or use your own inventive writing to write cucumber or sunflower observation log, or just log. And then the first page, just like we do at Seed Keepers, will be week 1. So week 1 is when you just first received this. So what I would do is if I was observing, there's not much going on right now, so I would just draw my pot with my dirt, and then know that my seed is right in there. I water it daily, and I know it's in the sunshine because those are all the things I know that my plant will need. Week 2 might look the same. Week 3, you may start to see some of your plants sprout like this. This is if you have a cucumber seed. These are the cucumber plants and what they'll look like. But soon, see that little baby sprout right there? It'll start coming out of the dirt and it'll look teeny tiny like this. And keep giving it water and keep giving it sun, and it'll grow and grow and grow. Now when it's at this point in your pot, I would go ahead and put it in the dirt somewhere outside, because a cucumber is going to get pretty big and pretty wide. A sunflower is going to get very tall, but it needs to have very deep roots because it's going to be very heavy on the top. So you got to plant it real deep and make sure that soil is real nice and tight and packed. And then the cucumber will give you some yummy fruits to eat, and the sunflower will give the birds all sorts of seeds to eat. And you can too, possibly, depending on what kind of sunflower you receive. Okay, so this is your project for this week to start. And then I hope that you learn and you can sing to your cucumbers. Sometimes I go into my greenhouse and I just put on my music and we sing. They say plants love music. You can sing to it, you can talk to it. Everyone loves to talk to plants, and they love to hear you. All right, bye guys.